Will we have to wear helmet-sized masks in the future? Will the Earth be permanently covered in pollution in a couple of years? In recent years, the issue of pollution in China has reached a point where it's visible from the space, serving as a stark reminder of the environmental challenges our planet faces. The impact of pollution on our health and the environment is undeniable, and if the Chinese people don't act now, it could set a worrying precedent for other countries. Let's explain the current situation, the consequences, and what the future might hold if the Chinese fail to address the global concerns. From space, China is covered in black pollution. When you look at the images of Earth from space, you expect to see the beauty of our blue planet. However, over China, a troubling sight has emerged, a visible blanket of pollution that hangs in the air like a dark cloud. This is primarily due to the high levels of industrial activity, vehicle emissions, and other human-related factors that release pollutants into the atmosphere. The consequences of this visible pollution in China are far-reaching. It's not just an aesthetic issue. It poses severe risks to both the environment and human health. Air pollution can lead to respiratory problems, cardiovascular diseases, and other health issues. Additionally, it has detrimental effects on ecosystem, wildlife, and water bodies. The long-term impact of such pollution can be devastating, affecting not only the current generation, but also the future ones. China's pollution highlights a global concern. China's visible pollution is not just a local problem, it's a global concern. As one of the world's leading economies, China's environmental practices set an example for other countries. If the Chinese don't take collective action to address pollution, they risk a domino effect where other nations follow a similar path. This could lead to a worldwide environmental crisis that affects us all. The more pollution, the bigger mask we will need. If the Chinese continue their current trajectory, the future could indeed see the widespread use of masks the size of helmets to filter the air we breathe. This might sound like a scene from a science fiction movie, but it's a real possibility if the Chinese don't prioritize sustainable practices. The idea of wearing such large masks is not only impractical, but also a somber reflection of the consequences of neglecting our environment. Chinese people need to take immediate action. To avoid dystopian future where oversized masks become a necessity, we must take immediate and collective action. Governments, industries, and individuals all play a crucial role in combating pollution and fostering sustainable practices. Some key steps that can be taken to control this include investing in clean energy. Transitioning to renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, can significantly reduce the carbon footprint associated with energy production. The Chinese government needs to enforce strict environmental regulations to curb pollution from industries and vehicles. Penalties for non-compliance should be substantial to ensure accountability. China's visible pollution is a wake-up call. China's visible pollution serves as a stark reminder that people's actions today have far-reaching consequences for the future. By taking proactive measures to combat pollution and adopt sustainable practices, the Chinese can work towards a cleaner, healthier country. The alternative, a future where the mask-sized helmets are a necessity, is not one they want to leave for the generations to come. It's time for global unity in the face of environmental challenges, with each one of us contributing to a brighter and cleaner future. Besides, China or not, controlling pollution is now everyone's responsibility. And here we wrap up our video. But for more content like this, stay tuned to the channel. Leave your thoughts on China's pollution condition in the comments after you hit the like, subscribe, and share button.